Hey guys, today I'm gonna read the story. The title is The Smartest Girl.
By the way, you wanna see the mama?
Get away!
You wanna see it?
Stop! I'm gonna read the story. The Smartest Girl.
You wanna look at it?
No! The Smartest Girl. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Liza. She read and write every day. In school, she got every questions correct, and she have 40 over 40. And the dumbest boy named is Rebu. He got 1 over 40. And Liza teach Rebu, and Rebu said, "Thank you." And Rebu got 40 over 42. Rebu said to Liza, "How are you so smart?" Liza said, "I read and write every day. I don't use my phone, so I'm smart. And I don't play too, so I'm so smart." Rebu said, "Okay, I'm gonna do that too." The end. I'm gonna read another story. No! And don't see the mama. No, stop the mama. Stop the mama. I'm just gonna read another story.
Don't. And just go a little down. A little. Okay, that's okay.
The title is
Go a little down.
The Helpful Cat.
Hey, go a little down.
The Helpful Cat.
Don't.
Hey, I'm gonna
don't.
another story. The title is The Helpful Cat.
Okay. Don't see the papel.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Anna. She liked to sing and loved strawberries. She saw a tree full of strawberries, and then a giant came and take her with him. The giant said, "You will be mine, ha 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 ha." Anna said, "Please don't take me away." And then a cat came. The cat name is Tracy. Tracy said, "Stop there, you giant." And then the cat attacked, saving Anna. The end. Bye guys, I'm doing part 2 of reading stories, and then a part 3. Stop, mama!